What is a content manager? Content management is creating, organizing, and managing content across all digital channels. As a content manager, you'll be responsible for curating and overseeing all types of information to ensure it meets your organization's goals and objectives. A content manager is also responsible for developing and maintaining a content strategy, making editorial decisions, overseeing content production, and ensuring that it is accurate and up to date. Content managers usually specialize in a specific type of content, such as blog posts, videos, ebooks, web pages, and other media types. They must be organized and have strong communication skills to coordinate with other departments and stakeholders. Digital marketing and social media management is a field of study that is becoming increasingly important in content management. Content managers must be able to understand data and analytics to track the success of their content.